Have you ever tried to book an appointment with your favorite stylist, masseuse, or personal trainer, only to find they're completely booked solid for weeks? It's a frustrating experience, right? You either have to settle for someone else, or constantly refresh their booking page hoping for a cancellation. Well, what if there was a better way? What if there was a system that could automatically notify you the moment an opening appears, putting you first in line for that coveted spot? Today, we're diving deep into a feature that's a game changer for both clients and businesses using Vagaro, the waitlist. If you've ever wondered what a waitlist on Vagaro is, how it works, and why it's such an incredibly useful tool, then you're in the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the client's perspective of joining one to the business owner's perspective of managing it, and even explore some pro tips to maximize its benefits. First, let's establish some context. Vagaro is a comprehensive cloud-based business management software primarily designed for salons, spas, fitness studios, and other wellness businesses. It offers a vast array of features, from online booking and point-of-sale to marketing tools and reporting. Among these powerful features, the waitlist stands out as a particularly elegant solution to a common problem: high demand and limited availability. So, at its core, what is a waitlist on Vagaro? Simply put, a waitlist is a virtual queue that allows clients to express their interest in an appointment that is currently unavailable. Instead of giving up when their preferred time slot is booked, they can add their name to a waitlist for that specific service, staff member, and date. When a cancellation occurs or an opening arises due to a rescheduling, the system can then automatically notify those on the waitlist, giving them the first opportunity to book that newly available slot. From the client's perspective, joining a waitlist on Vagaro is incredibly straightforward. When you're trying to book a service and you see that your desired time or staff member is unavailable, Vagaro will often present you with the option to join a waitlist. You typically select the service, your preferred staff member, if you have one, and the date you're aiming for. You might even be able to specify a preferred time range. Once you've added yourself to the waitlist, you're essentially telling the business, "Hey, I'm interested in this specific appointment. Let me know if something opens up." You'll then receive a notification, usually via text message or email, if an opening matching your criteria becomes available. This notification often includes a direct link to book the appointment, making the process seamless and quick. Now, let's flip the coin and look at it from the business owner's perspective. For businesses, the Vagaro waitlist is an invaluable tool for several reasons. Firstly, it helps to maximize their schedule utilization. No-shows and last-minute cancellations are a constant headache for businesses in the service industry, leading to lost revenue. The waitlist acts as a buffer, allowing them to quickly fill those empty slots and minimize financial losses. Instead of scrambling to find a replacement or letting the time go to waste, they have a ready pool of interested clients. Secondly, it significantly enhances customer satisfaction. Clients appreciate being given an opportunity to still get the service they want, even if their initial attempt to book was unsuccessful. It demonstrates that the business is thinking about their needs and actively trying to accommodate them. This can lead to increased loyalty and positive word of mouth. Imagine the relief of a client who thought they'd miss out on their favorite stylist's appointment, only to get a notification that a slot opened up. Thirdly, the waitlist provides valuable data. Business owners can see which services and staff members are in highest demand, even when they're fully booked. This information can be incredibly useful for future planning, such as deciding whether to expand their team, offer more popular services, or adjust their pricing. It's a clear indicator of unmet demand, allowing businesses to make informed strategic decisions. Managing the waitlist on Vagaro is also quite user-friendly for businesses. They can view their waitlist, see who is on it for what service and date, and even manually offer available slots to specific clients. Vagaro's automated notification system takes a lot of the heavy lifting out of the process. When a cancellation occurs, the system can be configured to automatically send out notifications to the waitlist in a fair and organized manner, often on a first-come, first-served basis. This reduces administrative burden and ensures that opportunities are offered efficiently. There are also some pro tips for both clients and businesses to make the most of the Vagaro waitlist. For clients, if you're really eager to get an appointment, be proactive. Don't just rely on the waitlist. Sometimes, It's worth checking the booking page periodically in addition to being on the waitlist, as some cancellations might be snapped up quickly. Also, be quick to respond when you receive a waitlist notification, as those slots often go fast. For businesses, it's crucial to clearly communicate the waitlist option to your clients. Educate them on how it works and its benefits. Promote it on your website, social media, and in your waiting area. Regularly review your waitlist to understand demand patterns and adjust your schedule or staffing accordingly. Consider setting up clear policies for how waitlist notifications are sent and how long clients have to respond to ensure a smooth and fair process. In essence, the Vagaro waitlist transforms a potentially frustrating situation into a seamless opportunity. For clients, it's a convenient way to secure highly sought-after appointments. For businesses, it's a powerful tool to optimize schedules, boost revenue, and enhance customer satisfaction. It bridges the gap between high demand and limited availability, ensuring that no potential appointment goes unfulfilled. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.